Hi guys! I know it's been a while since I opened a package for you, but I have not been ordering stuff online because I've been just doing other things. Anyways, so I did just get a new pair of Shears in. These are called Guggenheims, and I saw them on Instagram, and the post said that they guaranteed I would like them better than Gingers. And anybody who knows me knows I love, love, love my Gingers. So they basically said that if you don't like these better than Gingers, you can, one, keep them, we'll give you your money back, and we'll send you a new pair of Gingers to make up for it. So as far as I'm concerned, that's a really, really good guarantee. So I thought, you know what, I'll give it a try. Let me buy some and see. So I actually have a pattern laid out. I know, I'm kind of like crouching because I wanted you to be able to see the pattern. I do have a pattern laid out for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this package for you, and I will do some cutting with them right here. And, you know, you guys can get my reaction as to how I feel about these Guggenheims. So let's get started. Ugh. I know. I should have set this up a little bit better. Alright, this is what they look like. The package looks like. It's white. It says Guggenheim 9-inch Professional Tailor Shears. Let's see, a message from the owners. We'd like to personally thank you for supporting us through your purchase of this pair of scissors. We are a small but growing company, still working out a few kinks in our process. Should you be dissatisfied for any reason, we will make it right. If you have any constructive criticism, we'd also love to hear it as we strive to improve our product. Your contact for this order is Stephen Hoffman. Yours sincerely, the founders. Resource available, scissors, maintenance book, PDF. Okay, so it's got some good information on it. It has a nice little thank you note. I do appreciate that. These are what it looked like in the box. I can tell you right now, this is a bulky. Well, let me compare it. Alright, so these are my Gingers, which I love. I use all the time. They're my favorite shears. I used to have another pair, but I lost them, and so then I bought this pair. So this is my second pair of Gingers. These are the Guggenheims. I do like the rubber on the handle. I do think that's a nice touch because cutting with scissors. It looks like they have like some sort of oil or moisture on them. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I don't know how I feel about that. Luckily I'm cutting out of black, so it shouldn't ruin it, and this is for me, so definitely shouldn't ruin it because, you know, I don't care. I'll wear it, whatever. So that, I don't know how I feel about that. They feel like they have some sort of oil or something on them, and I'm not crazy about that. These are much lighter, but I do like the way that sounds. I don't know if you can hear that. Hear that? Hear that? Let's give it a go. Oh, wow. I do like the way these cut. Oh, maybe not. I'm struggling already. They cut pretty good. Hmm. All right. Okay, there's my first piece. Now we'll cut this piece out too. These are very sharp scissors. We'll give you that. See how that slices? Okay. I'll try that one for you again over here. Maybe you can see it better. Ta-da. Okay, that is my second piece. All right, so the real question is, are these better than Gingers? I will say they're very sharp. They are a very sharp scissor. They are a very attractive scissor. I will give them that. I love black, obviously. Black's my jam. The rubber is kind of pulling up here. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know if they're supposed to do that. But the rubber is kind of pulling up right there. Not on the other side though, just on this one side. I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, for the most part, they are a very attractive scissor. I like them a lot. Will they be replacing my Gingers? I mean, probably not. I love these scissors. They're very comfortable. I love cutting with them. These are nice. I just don't know that they're better than Gingers. I think maybe it'll come down to a matter of preference. Maybe if you use these, you will like them better. I do say that they are a very nice scissor. So as far as like scissors go, you can tell that they're high end. They are comfortable. They are very, very sharp. They are attractive. So I give them a good rating. I would recommend these to somebody else. Yeah. So. Hello, so it's been a while since I opened up the Guggenheims, and before I posted the video, because as you just saw, I, opened them and had some very strong feelings about them. It's been, I don't know, maybe 6-7 months since I purchased these, and I have to say that I do like them better than my Gingers. The things that I felt when I first opened them, I did feel, so that's not like... But having used them over and over and over again, I do like how heavy they are. I do like how sharp they are. And yeah, so I probably use them, not probably, I totally use them way more than my Gingers, which is crazy because I never thought that I would ever like something better than Ginger, because Ginger's always been my go-to. Shears. But I did want to say that these Guggenheims are awesome. Highly, highly recommend them. You will love them better than your Gingers, for sure, if you're anything like me. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you later. Bye.